We go to other news now. The police are awaiting the results of an autopsy on an 18-month-old baby who died at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth. According to reports, the deceased child, identified as Shalani Dobson, had to be rushed to the facility after being left in a locked car for 8 hours on Monday. She is the daughter of 2 police officers assigned to the St. Elizabeth Police Division. Our news center was informed that both parents left home and the police woman was dropped off at her work. At her workstation. Her father should have taken the baby to the daycare and then on to work. However, the child was left inside the car at the Black River station from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. while the policeman carried out his duties. The baby was later found unconscious and rushed to the hospital where she died yesterday. It's understood that a file will be sent to the Director of Public Prosecutions, who will determine what action will be taken.